You hold in a sneeze right now, pinching your nose shut. That pressure has to go somewhere. A normal sneeze can travel over 150 kilometers per hour. Blocking it traps that same force inside your body instead. That pressure has to redirect somewhere, often straight into your throat, sinuses, and even your inner ear. Rare cases have shown this pressure can rupture an eardrum or damage small blood vessels in the throat and eyes. It usually causes nothing worse than discomfort. But the pressure of a blocked sneeze genuinely has nowhere safe to go.